We're making something today that's simple, stunning, and smells incredible. We're making wax melts that look like tiny works of art. They shimmer, they smell amazing, and you can make them in about 10 minutes flat. Forget store-bought ones full of who knows what. These are clean, paraben and phthalate free, and so much fun to pour. So grab your kit and let's get melting. Hey friends, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. If you've ever looked at the back of store-bought wax melts, you've probably seen a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce. Today, I'll show you how to make your own using pure soy wax, safer fragrance oils, and mica powder for that gorgeous dessert-inspired shimmer. It's a simple, clean recipe that smells as good as it looks. I'll link this recipe along with the kit in the description box below. Start by prepping your molds. I'm using the flower and dot silicone molds that come in the kit. Just set them on a tray or pans so they're easy to move later. We're going to be doing 2 pours for this recipe, meaning we're going to be filling these molds twice. We're going to use this for our first pour. Next, you can add half of this bag or 2 cups of the clean burn soy wax to your double boiler or microwave safe pitcher. We're going to use this for our first pour. Gently heat until it's fully melted. For wax melts that really smell strong, continue to heat the wax until 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature opens the wax molecules up to the best temperature to accept the scent we are going to add. Avoid heating above this temperature because if your wax gets too hot, it can become brittle and cause your wax melts to crack. Once melted, add 1.5 teaspoons of whole wood essential oil and 1.5 teaspoons of Coastal Cactus Safer Fragrance Oil. Slowly stir for 2 minutes so the oils blend smoothly. Now pour the scented wax into your molds. I like to start in the center cavities and then use the scraper or spatula to spread it evenly. You won't 100% fill both molds. Once the wax has set, remove the melts from the molds over parchment paper or a tray for easy cleanup. Set those aside, add the remaining 8 ounces of wax to the pitcher and heat at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This will be for our second pour. Add in your rose red mica powder along with the rest of your whole wood and coastal cactus oil. Stir gently for 2 minutes. Now pour your second batch into the now empty molds and chill again. The wax melts will at first look orange, but as they set, they will turn into a pinkish red color. Mix your wax melt shapes and colors together in the amber jars from the kit and add your labels. Let them cure for 2 to 3 days for the best scent throw. To use, you just want to take 1 to 2 tablespoons and pour into your wax warmer and sit back and enjoy this incredible scent. Moment of truth. Oh, that smells incredible, like sunshine and calm mixed together. The floral and woodsy notes balance so beautifully, and the color, it's naturally gorgeous. I still can't believe how easy these are to make. Now it's your turn. Grab your DIY wax melt kit and make your own desert bloom wax melts this month. Share your creations with us using hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth for a chance to be featured and win a $100 gift card. You can get your kit now at simplyearth.com. Thanks for making with me, and I'll see you in the next video.